Everyone's looking for ways to make money online, but don't know where or how to start. Here's why merch and the print-on-demand business might be just what you're looking for. Stay tuned. Starting an online business can sometimes be a little overwhelming. That's why we highly recommend the merch business to be a great place to start. Signing up to the main merch marketplaces is completely free, so starting out on the right foot has very low entry-level barriers. This makes merch a very accessible business model from any standpoint, so you can see results from the very beginning. The term POD stands for print on demand, and it's both the business model as well as the production method. POD platforms allow you to upload your artwork, publish products with it, and collect royalties from your sales. Some of the sites where you can publish and sell are Merch by Amazon, Redbubble, Teespring, and TeePublic, while companies like Printful and Printify are focused on handling the printing and shipping aspect of the business. Merch products differ from platform to platform, but t-shirts, phone cases, and accessories like tote bags, stickers, and throw pillows are among the most popular. Selling t-shirts online sounds like a fun idea, but you'll still need to learn how to make your merch business thrive. Besides keyword research, you'll need to have professional designs that you can apply onto the products you're looking to sell. That's where Vexels comes in. Our growing library of print-ready graphics are specifically designed for merch use. It's as simple as downloading our designs and uploading them to your merch store. Our online t-shirt maker allows you to create awesome t-shirts of your own, all online and without the use of advanced design software. Turn your ideas into designs using our graphic resources, our t-shirt templates, and cool text effects. If you're feeling even more creative, our PSD t-shirt designs help you scale your portfolio by editing ready-made templates packed with cool effects and customizable elements to create unique t-shirts of your own. Most POD platforms are free to join, and you can gain immediate access to print-ready graphics and merch tools by going to Vexels.com. So what are you waiting for? Start your merch business today with Vexels.